We are in Italy. I look absolutely insane because I didn't dry my hair this morning, and it's my brother's birthday. He's here. Hi. Say hi to the vlog.
Hello vlog.
Mom.
It's my birthday.
Say hi.
I told you to go that way, for fuck's sake. Mom, you can stop walking.
Oh shit, it's lashing. It's gonna start raining. We are in Bergamo.
Mom, where are you going?
She's gone.
You're literally gonna try and find a way out.
Yeah.
Right, let's go.
Came to the old town, but we drove and we tried to find parking. And of course, there is no parking. So some guy came and helped us, brought us to the parking, and now we're trying to find a way out of it. Oh my gosh. And look at the sky.
Yeah. I don't think it's gonna happen, boys.
Oh my god, look at that cloud. Wow.
Mom, where are you
going? Guys, where are we going? I can't hear anything you're saying. Daniel, how does it feel to be the oldest sibling in the family?
Oldest?
Yeah. How does it feel to have all the wrinkles?
Feels like I'm authority over my younger, it's like you.
That's not true at all.
That's right.
How much was these?
360.
€3.60 for two? €3.60 for two, right? I'm used to paying €5.80, nearly €6. In Costa Coffee in Lake Garda beside Duns, it's like €7 for an old latte. And it's not even good.
That's good.
It's good? Let's try. Strong. Good. What did you get? What's on the inside?
Mozzarella and pomodoro.
We are at the Duomo. Fabulous. Should be wearing a nice outfit. In your bag. Guys, we're in Milano. We're at the Duomo, but we are also in Milano. Oh my god, I can't control this camera. Stunning. Stunning. It's not so busy here today. Some drone videos, they were super laggy, so I don't know, hopefully the footage is smooth in the playback, but I will post it. I'm so excited. It looks gorgeous. Look at this.
It's about Indians.
Come to Lake Garda. It's so beautiful here.
They're eating gelato.
Oh, let's get some gelato. And the weather is stunning. Let's get some gelato, guys.
Knock knock. Why did the chicken get to the fucking idiot's house? Why did the chicken cross the road?
I don't know.
To get to the idiot's house. Knock knock.
Hi, Daniel's not here. No.
But it's not the chicken.
Daniel's not home right now. Come back later. Daniel, I found your boat.
Which one do you like? Yeah.
No, Daniel will have the blue one. Huh? You can, you rent that one. Wow.
Look at the hair on the ducks.
Oh,
That's
interesting.
my thinking.
I think Aisling had a story here a few days ago. Oh, why are they not going past the gate? Look at all the fish there, the goldfish. I don't know if you can see them actually in this, but there's a lot of them.
The ducks building the nest or something
Oh yeah.
in the corner.
Oh my god, guys, this is so cute. Wow. Daniel, where's the gelato?
I don't know, everyone's eating it.
I want some.
They think you're a famous YouTuber.
Yeah. But that's the thing, like, people don't know when you're filming. Are you filming for 5 followers or my 6 subscribers? But like when you're filming out and about, I used to care, I used to be embarrassed. Like, I actually don't care anymore because nobody knows if I'm filming for 1 billion people or if I'm filming for 5.
I was like,
Don't know, she will
Don't know.
leave in 10 minutes if you want.
Okay.
She gets food. Castle built on the waters like Venezia with 11,000 pillars of food inside of the water. And is the only one with a private port inside used by the family Scala to go outside and inside from Sirmione quickly in case of need.
Where is it? He's so cute.
What's his name?
Lucy. Oh, Lucy's so cute. Oh, she's so tiny. Guys, we just got some drone videos here. Oh my god, they're so beautiful. I actually can't wait to edit this vlog just for the drone videos. And getting them in landscape is actually so much better. Just get like so much of a better representation. I lost my words. Thank God for edits. I can just edit and put it out.
Leave it in.
Leave it in. Leave it out. Yeah, it's absolutely stunning here. My hair is looking insane. I'm looking wild, but I think you're just gonna have to deal with that. In my Europe vlog. This is where we're sitting right now. How stunning. Just chilling here. There's our mum. Mum. Hi. This is the new thing. Oh my god, it's just gorgeous here.